Alright, 150 here. Just about to go and sleep. Okay, just about to go and sleep. I felt a hit on my right spine bone muscle. Right? So that's my room at the back. Yeah. Right. My room will be facing in the back of this house. Okay. This thing hit me so hard at the back. Alright. This thing I'm looking like a satellite. Don't look at satellite. 1:55. Saturday, the 4th of September. Okay. Yeah, no stars, nothing. I'm sleeping. About to sleep. About to go and sleep. This thing hit me so hard at the back. Really hard. I knew it, this is here. I knew it arrived. Feed yourself. Brain scanning. Scan your head. Alright. You shoot microwave. False microwave weapons. Exactly where you can shoot. Okay. Just right above the house. And you got gangster moving at of us. And beaming in the face. All that crap. This is the top of the house. This is my house. Okay. It is the house, yeah? It's there. Okay. There. Alright. Okay. Finished work. Had my bath. Was talking to my brother. Right? Just about to go and sleep. I felt a hit right on my bike. Yeah, it's just one. Sock 16. Come on, go. And tomorrow we're taking my brother's son. 2 weeks holiday. Oh, I don't know why I'm going back to Rabat. What reason, I don't know why. But this bad thing is here. So they are up to something now. I think up to something. I'm gonna share this out. That's a satellite now.